Hey there friends, acting coach Adam here, and I'm going to talk to you about a fun way to create characters, have fun with accents, and even learn how to move your body like an animal. That's right, it's time to grab those scripts, put on your sunglasses, and get ready to explore one of the popular fields of storytelling, acting. Whether it's the stage, a blockbuster movie, an award-winning TV series, or even a video game, acting and storytelling have been a part of entertainment throughout the ages. From shadow puppets originating in ancient China around 2,000 years ago, to William Shakespeare changing the theatrical stage in the late 1500s, to modern entertainment such as motion capture and voiceover for film and television. Now in this class, you won't have to worry about memorizing 90-page scripts or singing Phantom of the Opera in front of a sold-out audience of 30,000 people. In this class, students will learn how to act with their bodies, learn helpful tools to feel confident in auditioning for a play or a show, and they get to experience what it's like to rehearse a scene and perform it for their fellow actors. So, friends, let's put on those costume pieces, grab our fun props, and jump into a world of drama, comedy, action, and all-around entertaining. Ready, set, action.